Hello friends and family and golden keys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. I would like to thank everyone who subscribed to my channel. I'm trying to continue to have these tips of the days for you while I prepare for my original launch, which will be October the 7th 2019, my birthday, and I just wanted to make this a part of that special day, my very first video for you guys to see. I was just here doing laundry, you know, cleaning the closet, and I decided to share some tips with you guys on comforters, how to fold comforters and care for comforters and store them away. First, you want to make sure that you wash your comforters before storing them away. You want to wash them and you want to thoroughly dry them. Make sure they are completely dried before you place them away in any bin, in any plastic storage containers, even on the shelves of your closet, because you don't want to go and pull that comforter later on, months later, or next year, and it's yellow stains or molds, black mold in the comforters because of the moisture. You didn't dry the comforter thoroughly. I suggest those people who buy very expensive comforters, I do sometimes, that you read the instructions on how to care for your comforter. That is very important, because in some cases you may find that the filler inside your comforter begins to lump up, so that's a destroyed comforter, you know. So you just have to be mindful to care for your comforters. Okay, so in this first case, I'm just going to show you just the basic fold. You would fold your comforter the same way you would fold your fitted sheets or any sheet. I try to, at least when I'm folding, if I know I want to display it on the shelf and have you look at it, when you open up my linen closet and it looks beautiful, what I do is I make sure at least one end of it is folded in, and it's really this end here that has all of the loose ends. Put that in to kind of hide it, so when you fold in it, it looks better. And then you put that piece over the second piece. You would have to play with it a little bit because of the thickness and keeping it together. And then you fold it, and it really depends on how deep your closet shelves are, if you're placing them on your shelf. So what I do is I do that. So that's my fold. Okay, that's my fold, right? But when I place this in my closet, it's going to be facing this way. So when you open up my closet, you're going to see this part. You're not going to see all of the pleats in the back. Okay, so you're going to see this part, the smooth part. And then you can purchase these little guys here. They're 99-cent ribbons. I got these from the 99-cent store. They come in all kinds of styles and colors, so whichever ones you prefer. If you want all of them to be burlap to match your storage bins, blue, red, whatever you decide. You may even have some ribbon laying around from birthday parties or whatever you can use as well. And what you do is you just take the ribbon. You can tie it either this way, going across. What it does is it just keeps everything together. So when it's on the shelf in the closet, it's not falling open. It's not unfolding and falling open. You fix your bow. You tie your bow, you fix it, and you place it on your shelf, and this is what you would see. And if your shelf may have enough to fit 3 or 4 of these going across, you line them up and have the ribbon, and it looks real pretty sitting on the shelf. In some cases, if you have more than one comforter, it's always important that the heavier comforter is on the bottom, the heaviest blanket is on the bottom, and then the lighter ones is on top. I would suggest no more than two comforters on top of each other, but you want to secure the bottom one to kind of make it kind of flat. So you may have to put a ribbon going this way and a second ribbon going the other way, and then tie like a birthday gift, like you're wrapping a box, a birthday box, and then you place the other one on top and you sit it in your closet, and when you open up your closet, it looks beautiful, just looks beautiful, you know. In other cases, some people may like the roll look. They might want to roll the blanket like I did. You just fold it into thirds and you begin to roll. The same method I use with the towels. You begin to just roll and roll, and then when you're done, you tie your ribbon around it. 99-cent ribbon. That's it. That's all you need to give it a decorative look. And my suggestion too is when you do that, if it comes with shams, you want to just fold the sham and place it, or just place it flat in the middle of the blanket before you begin folding or rolling the blanket. So next year when you go pull it out, the whole set is together. So that's another tip to do. Okay? And also, before you, because what I do is I keep these bags. The bags that the comforters come in, I keep them and I fold them and I put them away and I put them on the shelf or underneath the bottom of the floor of the closet. And what I do is I include a fabric softener sheet. You get you some Snuggles fabric softener sheets, Gain, whichever scent you like. You can even buy these little pocket scented items here, and you place them in the bag with the comforter to keep it smelling fresh and clean. But the most important thing is to make sure that your comforter is fully dry before you store them away, so you don't destroy your comforters, okay? Also, they sell these little bags here. They're plastic bags. They come in different sizes. I'm sorry I didn't have the extra large ones to show you how to do the comforter. So what I did, I had some small ones on hand. So what I did was I put a pillow inside just to demonstrate to you guys. You know, it's a bag. You open it up, you place your pillow items in there, your bulky items. It could be 2 pillows depending on what size bag you got. And I had got this one from the 99-cent store, and this is large and it works well. And I put the pillow in, and all you need is a vacuum cleaner. And you take your vacuum cleaner, you unplug, you unscrew the top off, so now you have this part. Turn your vacuum on, and you start. And another thing, when you have, like, say if you had a lot of pillows and you wanted just had 5 or 6 pillows, to stuff them in a bin like this, they won't fit. So you can use bags like this to do that. And what you do is the same thing you see me do. I sucked it. When you get half of the air out of the bag, you tuck it in there, and then you continue to suck the rest of the air out the bag. What that does is it makes this bag fit the size of whatever bin you're putting it in. So this way you're able to continue to stack other ones on top of it. It fits that size container that you're putting it in, whether it's a cloth one, a bin, or just plastic bin things. They also sell these type of bags in Walmart. I've seen them in Target, and they're decorative. They have the plastic on the bottom, they have cloth on top. You can invest in some of those. You can store that in there. You can store your throws. If you have a bunch of throws like I do, you can store a bunch of them together in one of those plastic bags, suck the air out, store them in here where you don't see. Keep it away. Tuck this in the closet, and this is what you'll see. Imagine just seeing this bin, several bins, maybe 3 of them lined up, and then on the top shelf you have 3 or 4 blankets lined up with the ribbon on top. Beautiful. Beautiful. When you open up the closet door, beautiful. Or the rolled ones, whichever one you prefer. Yes. So those are the tips that I wanted to bring you today with the comforters. Okay, so remember, you can purchase you some ribbon, you can purchase you some of these bags, these bins over here, or the plastic. Keep the plastic bins that come, plastic bags that come with your comforter set, and tuck them away neatly. I'll post a picture as well up on Facebook and my Instagram page. Behind Closed Doors 8888 is the Instagram page, and Behind Closed Doors is my Facebook page. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Behind Closed Doors. I attach the link to every post that I put up on Facebook and Instagram. So please join the rest of us Golden Keys, and I look forward to speaking to you all soon, and you all have a great night. And one more thing, please comment, like the video, comment, tell me some of the things that you would like to see, so that when I'm creating content, I know what my Golden Keys would like to see. I can practically do almost everything. So just please put those comments down there. Let me know what you would like to bring, what you would like for me to bring to you, what you would enjoy watching, because so far you're going to be doing shop with me's, we're going to be doing cook with me's, we're going to be doing a few DIYs, some painting, just different things. We're going to be doing just some chit chats, you know, getting to know each other. And I'm just so happy that you guys are loving the information that I'm giving you in these short videos. So I'm most certainly sure you will enjoy the official videos once I begin to post those beginning October 7, 2019. So you guys have a great night, and we will see you soon. Bye-bye.